In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate through Squarespace to seamlessly upload a video to your website. Whether you're new to Squarespace or looking to refresh your skills, follow along for a simple step-by-step guide that will have you feeling like a pro in no time. First, let's start by going to the Squarespace homepage. This is the hub where all the magic begins. Open your preferred web browser and type in or click the website link to head directly to the homepage of Squarespace. Once you arrive there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the surroundings if it's been a while since your last visit. On your dashboard, you'll see various options, and what you're going to want to do next is find the Edit button. This is the step that will take you closer to making changes to your site. Click on Edit, and you'll be granted access to the customization world of your Squarespace website. It's the key that unlocks your front row seat to designing your site as you envision it. Once you're in editing mode, it's time to add a new block. Blocks are what the Squarespace pages are made of. They're like Lego pieces that make up your web page. Locate the Add Block button, which is usually prominently featured. Clicking on this opens up a variety of options that allow you to add different functionalities to your site. With the options model open, direct your attention to the video option. Clicking video will help guide you in embedding the media block that will contain your chosen video. It's this focus section that organizes the video content and allows visitors to see it clearly. As you hover over and select to add a video, you'll be provided with instructions for placing and customizing your video exactly where you want it on your site. Clicking on Add a Video again is all about committing your choice and moving into the subsequent process of file uploading. Now we're getting to one of the more crucial steps, which is uploading your file. Hit the Upload File button, which will prompt a window where you can browse and select which video file you'd like to upload from your computer. Select the file that's ready to be featured on your site and watch as it uploads and processes, preparing to delight your audience. Finally, once your video has successfully uploaded and taken its place on your page, all that's left to do is click on Save. By saving, you finalize all the changes you've made, ensuring that your hard work becomes live for the world to see and appreciate. And there you have it, a complete guide to uploading a video on Squarespace. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to enhance your site aesthetically and functionally by integrating